Hello guys, it's Darching Gaming. This is a very lovely triple effect I found myself. Let's just just call out the unusuals. This is basically the bubble pipe in Frostbite that makes the Frostbite. That's Captain Spaceman and Nebula, and this is the polar pullover in Cloud9. And altogether, it just makes this beautiful looking thing. Those could be like stars. Actually, you know what? Cloud9 is actually the wrong thing to use. Let's see. Let's go with orbiting planets, shall we? There we go. Yeah, there's planets, stars, and all that. And this makes it like, it looks really good. They're like, yeah, this is just amazing. I have like a whole solar system to myself. If you really want to like show off your unusual to the extent of this, like, trust me, this is when orbiting planets is just amazing. It looks so amazing. This is basically the demo club. It just looks like this. It looks amazing. It just looks so good. It just looks really nice. The superstars and stuff. Let's check in the dark here. So, oh, look at this, man. I'm walking through space and time. Just looks so good. I just love all these effects. This is what I love about TF2's customization. Like, it's not only just like you can make the hats look good together, but if you get the rare ones, you can make all the effects look so good, and it looks the most prettiest thing ever. It just looks rather nice. I'm walking through space and time. Just looks so good. But I reckon, yeah. I reckon that's pretty much wraps up what this video is about. Looks really fucking good. I want to actually spend more time on it because of how good it looks. Alright, let's check. Any story about this? Oh. Sorry, I mean... Alright, sorry. Alright, let's see here. No. Oh, there we go. This, huh. Fucking hell. This is actually tricky. Just gonna walk around with it on. Looks rather lovely. No. I have two space helmets and a helmet. This is just I'm an extra spaceman. Extra spaceman going through space. Spaceman that the greatest spaceman who ever lived. Oh, greatest spaceman who ever lived. No! Oh my god, I am such a pro. This is how spacemen travel through space. They look like that. This rubber looks really nice. I hope more people use this. This actually may be good to the extent of me keeping it, sort of. Oh, it's so hard though. Because I want to see it like all customizations. It looks so nice. It's so hard to think of what would be better than this. But I'm gonna put this on video and just show you how good this looks. Maybe I'll even make it like a sort of like a fifth loadout, because I will swap to it. It just looks amazing. What a fucking jerky scout. Well, anyway, this is just about 3 unusuals, but this one I just was so happy I found for you guys to see. So I hope you enjoy this episode, and I'll peace it out to you here. Peace.